energy, hydroelectric energy, and wind energy are some of the types of renewable energy. And we, in this video, will be talking about hydroelectric power.
The project involves both the use of the dam and a small runoff water plant. The activity also involves the water cycles and the gravity to actually make the electricity. There is plenty of water stored on the back of the wall, and then it works by dropping water from a high elevation. The energy it produces is the kinetic energy. The energy then goes to a converter and transformed into electricity, and power lines carry the electricity to where it is needed.
Hydroelectric dams are built on big rivers where it can store reservoir. When reservoir is built up, it is released. The water will flow through the penstock. The flowing water will push the turbine. The turbine will rotate the shaft, which rotates the generator, which creates electrical energy.
Hydroelectric dam has the following pros. No fuel is burnt, therefore it reduces greenhouse gases significantly because it uses the kinetic energy of water to generate electricity. Also, it is relatively safe, the technology is reliable, and there is very little fluctuation of the electric power. Thus, it is more safer comparing to nuclear power and fossil powers. Furthermore, it has relatively low operational and maintenance costs. In addition, the energy source is renewable, since water comes from the nature and can be used over and over again. Moreover, it is very flexible. The amount of electricity required to be produced can be adjusted. When there is less consumption, water flow can be reduced to decrease the amount of electricity produced. The cons for
Inevitably, there are also some environmental effects and economic problems caused by the man-made dams, such as changing directions of the water flows. Even though this way seems affected by using water, but there are also several practical factors that can affect this, such as, first, there are certain places that this dam can be built. It must be built in a place that has a lot of water, and such places like deserts and mountains would not get power if we only use this kind of method to get electricity. Second, to build a dam will cost a lot of money, and in some developing countries in Africa and around the world, the government do not get enough money even though there are plenty of waters, and this way is not working. Third, it would ruin the natural environment because when they built the dam, they built up sediments at the back of the dam, and that took away the oxygen from the river and cannot support the fishes. Fourth, it can be a huge impact to fishes because when fish migrate, it develops a migratory route, which they use it for all the time for years. But now, when humans build up the dam, it changes the migratory route of the fish by draining the water and blocking the river passage, and basically destroyed the natural balances. Fifth, when we store the water in the reservoir, the water becomes stagnant without moving, and it can evaporate more quickly than when it can flow more freely.